I've pretty much been overweight my whole life and mostly out of shape. And since coming here, I was almost at 300 pounds when I started. I'm now just at over 250 pounds. So I've lost somewhere between 40 and 50 pounds. And because of what I've learned here, I have really, started putting extra cardio workouts in my regular life, as well as making sure that I do at least cardio 2 out of the 3 times I come here every week. It's made me a much more active person, and now I'm actually starting to care about getting in shape rather than just doing it because I'm supposed to. I wasn't concerned really about working out taking up too much of my time because I figured I'd been wasting enough time getting out of shape, so at least now I'm using the time beneficially. Time management was one of the concerns when I started working out, but I figured using the time beneficially would be better than the way I had been wasting it. And also, it's one of the reasons I chose to work out at DeVale Fitness, is because the personal training aspect of it, the trainers here will usually accommodate any time that I need to come in. So I've worked out early in the morning, middle of the day, during a lunch hour, and at the end of the day, and there's always somebody here that's available and ready to train. Working out with trainers is probably what I've needed my whole life to get into shape. There's a lot of different aspects to it that have made a positive experience for me. The first being more of a babysitter type thing, where I come to, at the beginning I came to work out because I knew somebody was going to be waiting here for me to be here. But as I've worked out with them, I've created interpersonal relationships with them. They seem to really care about my progress, and don't only focus on the 45 minutes to an hour and a half that I'm here working out. They make sure to ask me questions about how I'm maintaining my program during the day and give me hints and tips on how to keep doing that when I'm not in the gym, which is also really helpful. The nutritional component has probably been one of the biggest factors in changing the way that my body's working, and one of the most unexpected. I figured I was just coming here to get somebody to help me work out and spot me when I'm lifting weights, but the trainers here really are concerned with what I intake in my body, and are really concerned with educating me on the things that I should be doing in my eating plan. When I made the decision to try to get in shape and look through different aspects of doing it, I joined regular gyms, did stuff around the house, bought videotapes, did the home gym thing. Working out at DeVale Fitness Institute has really had the first positive effect in the 35 plus years of my life of trying anything athletic. A lot of people in my life have noticed that my body's changing and ask, and then when they ask about personal training, I tell them that it was the best decision I've ever made about getting in shape. Again, because of the babysitting and expectation aspect, where somebody's kind of relying on you to be there and they're hopeful that you're doing the things they want you to do, but also because of the education aspect. Going to the gym, you think you know what you're doing, the machines have pictures on them that you think you can follow, but working out with someone while you're doing it who's watching you do it, they make little tweaks in the middle of your routine that really change the way the body's working with the weights and the exercises you're doing.